Hello guys, today is the seventh day of this 30 days Leetcode challenge, and this is the question we are going to solve, counting elements. So this is a pretty easy question, so let's just get through this. Given an array, integer array ARR, count element x such that x plus 1 is also in array. If there are duplicates in array, count them separately. So we are given an integer array, and for every element, we have to keep a count wherever we find x plus 1 as well in the array. So, and if there are two elements, then we have to count them separately. So, if we look at the examples, it says 1, 2, 3, and we can see that 1 has a 1 plus 1 which is 2 is also present, and 2 plus 1 which is 3 is also present. So there are uh, two such elements present. Now if we look at this array, then we do not find any of these consecutive elements present. So for 1 there is no 2, for 3 there is no 4, for 5 no 6, and for 7 there is no 8. So the output is 0 in this case. Now if you look at this, what you'll see is 0 has a next element of 1, and 1 has a next element of 2, and 2 has a next element of 3. Now even though there are two 3's present, they are being counted as a single 3. So so that's how we have three elements for 0, 1 and 2. And yeah, this is also the simpler one. One has one has the next element 2, and the next one also has a element 2. So yeah, so they have also given us some hints. They are recommending to use hash set for to store all elements. So uh, what we'll be doing is let's see what the second hint is. Loop again to count all valid elements. Okay, so in the hint they have given the answer straightforward. So first, what we'll be doing is creating a hash set and store iterate through the entire array and store all the elements in the hash set. So the next time when we are going to loop over all the elements again, we'll just check if the next element x plus 1 is present in the hash set or not. So this should be pretty easy to code. So I'll keep a count and which will be returned from my method, and what I'm going to do is I'll use a hash set of integers which will store unique elements, and I'll iterate through the array, and I'll just store them, just add them to my hash set. I don't care what element is present or not. So what hash set will do is since integer has a compare to method, so it will be able to store unique elements. Now what I'll do is I'll again iterate through the array, but this time I'll be using indexes to figure out. Well, indexes are not really required because we will be checking the values. So I'll iterate through the array and just check if my unique elements hash set contains the next element, which will be a plus 1, and if it does, then I'll just increase the count, and that's all. So let's run it and see if we have not made any mistakes. It's judging. Yeah, it works. So let's submit the solution. It's taking a while judging. It has been accepted. Now when I looked at more details, it says we do not have enough accepted submissions to show distribution chart. I don't think that must be true. um, there must be something wrong with Leetcode or something. but our solution is we have passed all the test cases, so that should be good enough. uh, Thank you. If you like this solution, give it a thumbs up, and yeah, uh, please subscribe, and click on that bell icon if you want to be notified tomorrow about the next day's problem. Thank you.